everyone to the fourth day of Steel Toes and Sledgehammers Deconstructed Gala. It's presented by Laurin General Contractors. We're more than halfway through this week-long virtual event, and I am ecstatic now to see viewers, all of you out there, bidding on auction items and participating in that 50-50 raffle. It's a win-win, right? Now, speaking of 50-50, it is sponsored by GGFL today, today's sponsor of the day. GGFL is a tax planning and accounting firm here in Ottawa, and they are proud to give back to those in need. GGFL is a generous supporter of the gala, and here is what they have to say about supporting Habitat. Hi there, just one sec. Okay. I'm just checking right now how much I could win if my ticket number is selected for the online 50-50 draw. Pretty big number right there, and it keeps going up. Do you have your 50-50 ticket yet? I'm challenging you now to purchase tickets to build the prize pot. So this number grows even higher. Every dollar, every single dollar makes an impact.